Hello class, today is Tuesday, May 12, 2020, and the code for this week is I'm empathic when I'm in someone else's shoes. So today we're going to learn new vocabulary. Is vocabulary of adjectives, ¿ok? Acuérdate que los adjetivos nos dicen cómo es una cosa o cómo es una persona, ¿ok? You already know these adjectives, okay? You already know someone that is tall, short, big, and small, okay? So the new ones are, the first one is quiet, like shh, everybody quiet, okay? The next one is loud, like ah, okay? That is loud. Then we're going to have fast, fast, very fast, fast, fast. And the next one is slow. Okay? Okay, everybody open your class book in page 98. And let's listen, okay? Pay attention.
Listening 137. Listen and point. Loud. Quiet. Fast. Slow. Quiet. Loud. Slow. Fast. Listen and repeat.
Now repeat.
Loud. Quiet. Fast. Slow.
Now we're going to listen to this song, okay? This song has comparatives. Pay attention on the comparative sentences. For example, the hen is louder than the chick. The goat is faster than the cow. The horse is faster than the goat, okay? Remember the comparatives, okay? And we're going to listen to the song, okay? Pay attention. First, read it, okay?
Listening 138. Listen and sing on the farm.
It begins very quiet.
The chick is quiet on the farm. Cheep, 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 says the chick. The chick is quiet on the farm. Cheep, cheep, cheep.
Now,
The hen is louder than the chick. Cluck, 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 says the hen. The hen is louder than the chick. Cluck, cluck, cluck. The goose is louder than the hen.
Louder and faster.
Honk, 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 says the goose. The goose is louder than the hen. Honk, honk, honk. The cow is slow on the farm. Clop, clop goes the cow. The cow is slow on the farm. Clop, clop, clop.
Now faster,
The goat
faster.
is faster than the cow. Clip, clip, clip goes the goat. The goat is faster than the cow. Clip, clip.
Now
clip.
faster, faster.
The horse is faster than the goat. Trot, trot, trot goes the horse. The horse is faster than the goat.
Okay, now open your class book in page 98, okay? And remember to write the short date here. Recuerda que si tú tienes tus libros en casa, no es necesario que imprimas esta hoja. Debes trabajar en tus libros. Si no los tienes y también se te dificulta imprimirla, puedes en una hoja blanca anotar workbook, la página y escribir solamente las respuestas, ¿ok? So pay attention. Let's go to exercise number 1. Everybody repeat slow, fast, quiet, and loud, okay? And you have to circle the words here. Then in exercise number 2, you are going to look at these pictures and write the correct adjective for the correct animal. For example, number 1, the goose is louder because it's like honk, okay? And then you continue with the other animals. And finally, using the picture in exercise number 2, you are going to make the comparatives. For example, number 1, the goose is louder than the hen. Now close your workbook and finally, you are going to copy these on your worksheet. Recuerda que esto lo puedes imprimir o lo puedes copiar y dibujar, ¿ok? And then we're going to have family time. It says, make a race with your family and say who is faster and who is slower. Use comparatives. Vas a hacer una carrera con tu familia y vas a decir quién es más rápido y quién es más lento. Y tienes que usar comparatives. For example, I'm faster than my grandma. My grandma is slower than me. And that's it for today, class. Don't forget to sing the goodbye song, okay? Bye.